success has been running away from you. You have not been able to find success in trading because you are out over here chasing 101 concepts by hype-driven following on Twitter, X, Instagram, and even YouTube. What you need to do is you need to focus on something insanely simple, right? The main problem that almost every single trader on earth, right, retail trader on earth has, is that they cannot find direction. Now, we can find direction in two ways, okay? So we can find direction in two ways, and there is an order of importance, okay? Two ways of direction, and there is an order of importance, right? So the first order of importance is fundamentals, and the second order of importance is going to be technical framework, okay? Now, the technical framework itself is going to be helping you immensely with your psychology, and your psychology is going to be set only if you have that fundamental backing behind a particular trade idea, okay? That is insanely important. You have to know your fundamentals. But in this video, we are going to be incorporating both fundamentals, and we're also going to be incorporating technicals. Now, in order to understand what the technical direction is, and I'm going to be going through various examples, and when I say various, I mean 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 7 maybe. Technical framework is essentially derived from, when we talk about direction, we are talking about it from the perspective of the Asian range, because the Asian range is the range that starts off the day, okay? So I want you to understand one thing. This is your Asian range, okay? And price will only do one of three things. Now, when price is stuck inside of the Asian range, right, that is when you do nothing. So when price is stuck inside the Asian range, when price say stuck inside the Asian range, right, you do nothing. That is step number 1, okay? Then when the fundamentals, listen carefully, when the fundamentals are bullish, right, then you want price to break above the Asian range, okay, like so. Now this hits close to home. Now if you are, what I mean by that is, if you are a user on TradeEasy, you know that sometimes TradeEasy is going to be telling you something else, but price action is also going to be telling you something else. This is where fundamental and technical alignment need to happen, right? So when we have fundamentals and technicals diverging, then fundamentals are almost always right, okay? So when the fundamentals are bullish, as per TradeEasy, when the research suggests that the fundamentals are bullish, then you want to see price trade above the Asian range, okay? So when fundamentals are bullish, you will always want to see price trade above the Asian range. Now likewise, when the fundamentals are bearish, when the fundamentals are bearish, you want to see price trade below the Asian range. Listen carefully, when the fundamentals are bearish, you want to see price trade below the Asian range. That is very important. I'm going to repeat it once more. When the fundamentals are bearish, you want to see price trade below the Asian range, and then you will take your retracement and you will sell, right? You can use whatever the fucking concept that you want to use, and you can take part in the trade, okay? Now, when the fundamentals are bearish, let's type that down. You will always want to see price trade below the Asian range. Now it's as simple as that. Now, do you need a mystical theory? Do you need a mystical theory to tell you this? Do you? No, right? So it's as simple as this. This is simple. This is what I teach all my one-on-ones in day 1, okay? Now this is not necessarily a one-on-one concept, but this is something I remind them of every single time, right? When you don't have one of these things happening for you, you don't take a trade. Now this is choppy conditions, but this is trending conditions. If you, for example, come to TradeEasy, okay, and if you, for example, just see what the current sentiment is for oil here. Oil, the current sentiment is bearish, right? So it was bearish for the past couple of days. And what I'll do is I'm going to be taking this piece of information, right? We'll take this piece of information. Now I got a DM and someone told me that bro, if you can make a YouTube video on TradeEasy, I mean, I did make it the previous video or a couple of videos ago, it was a video on TradeEasy. But you guys want to know, as per what he's telling me, you guys want to know how you can accurately or effectively use TradeEasy with your trading, right? So I'm going to show it to you here. Now this is, in my one-on-one, we have the foundation and then we have the advanced stuff, right? So consider this the foundation of utilizing TradeEasy. Okay, this is very important, because then, let me tell you, if your win rate is 30% or 40% or 50% now, your win rate is going to be at least 70, 80, 90. And if it's not your daily win rate, your weekly win rate is going to be almost 100%. You don't believe me? Join TradeEasy. It's free right now. You can use it for free. And once your credits are up, you can do whatever you want. You can join our Discord community as well. And you can exactly see, you can make the decision on whether you want to keep your win rate at near 100% or you want to go back to 30-40% win rates, and then you hopping back and forth, spending 10, 20, 30, 40, $50,000 on mentorships. That's up to you. I mean, if you want to be a dumb fuck and you want to be a dumb bitch on wasting your money that you worked hard for, be my guest. Cool. So now, with oil, we saw that it was bearish, right? So what is the condition that we're looking for? Well, I just saw the technicals, and I just saw the fundamentals, and the fundamentals for oil were bearish, right? So that means I need Asian range to break to the downside if I want to participate in price action delivery. Okay, so we'll take this day here, this day over here, and let's take Friday as well. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to introduce you guys to something else also. Between 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 12:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, you can attach a fixed range volume profile. Okay, you can attach a fixed range volume profile, and that value area is what you are interested in, right? Let's come over here. Now remember, okay, our fundamentals are bearish. Yeah, our fundamentals are bearish, and if our fundamentals are bearish, I want to see price trade below the Asian low. So I need to see price trade down here, and after we trade down there, I want to see price retrace into the value area. And what is the value area for the Asian range? It is here. And then from there, I want to see a continued sell-off. There we go. And then price sold off, right? Now, anything and everything after that, that's on you. I'm not going to be diverging anymore. If you want to know more information on how you can utilize every single thing that we have over here, then you've got to join the one-on-one. Link is down in the description below. Again, it's only for people who are serious. I don't want losers. I don't want fucking brokies. No, you need to have money. You need to have the drive to fucking succeed, right? If you want, you got to spend money to make money, right? So you spend money, you make money. You go from 0 to 100, and I'll take you from 0 to 100 real fucking quick. You're going to turn into a monster. Who knows, maybe you can be my next case study where you turn something into $100,000, $200,000. One guy did it. Maybe you could be the next one. Okay, now let's go to the next trading day. Okay, bias is the same. The fundamental bias is the same. The fundamental bias is bearish. So if the fundamental bias is bearish, then I want the defined range of the day, which is the Asian range. I want to see price trade below it. Now, if we are all the way up over here, and then it still sells off anyway, and price, for example, price was over here and it sells off, there's a way to get into those, but it's not within the scope of my YouTube. Okay, so we'll play this, and remember, this is our value area there. Okay, so you can utilize value area concepts and you can enter accordingly, but I want to see price trade below the Asian range, because look at this, right? Here, yeah, it did break out, but here, see how as long as we're in the Asian range, look at this lollygagging, look at this meandering like nonsense, waiting for some news to come out, and then when the news comes out, then only price makes a move to the downside. So having said that, what we can see is, we can see that price broke down, it's retracing, going into the value area, and then that means when we hit this value area, then that means that we can finally consider going short, right? As I have told you, fundamentals are bearish, technicals are bearish, we can go short. That's your small scalps. If you're a prop firm trader, then you can trade from up here all the way down here. Or if you want to hold your trades just a bit longer, then that's up to you. That's based on your strategy. Okay. So now heading into the next day, what we can see is, as per memory, this was a double seek and destroy day. So when price broke up there and price broke down again, now we are bearish, and this was a setup that I called in the YouTube channel, right? So 2 or 3 days ago when I posted this, actually it's 2 days ago when I posted this, I called a short setup, and that short setup was called somewhere around over here, and price indeed sold off nicely. Just it's a small nice sell off, and then actually it wasn't this, it was this one, sold off properly, and then it just kind of stopped for the day because it was a Friday. Right now, that is alpha. That is alpha. So if you want to know how to combine fundamentals and technicals, because listen, let's be honest, none of you know how to combine fundamentals and technicals. Let's be fucking honest. You don't. Yeah, you don't. Which is why, because you don't know how to compare the fundamentals and the technicals, this is why you are failing. This is why you are failing. This is why success is there. You are here, right? And the further you get to success is like, fuck you, man. You don't deserve me. Boom, it goes away. So, someone has to tell you, right? Someone has to tell you. I'm not going to be the guy that says, oh, you don't need fundamentals. You just come and subscribe to my concepts, blah, blah, blah. Nah. Listen, my concepts are the truth of the market because everyone is copying them. But they're copying it wrong. The way I use it, statistically, my concepts have a 90% win rate. I can't say win rate because there's human errors, right? But the concept itself is a 90% success rate. Like if I give my concept to Claude, if I give my concept to TradeEasy's intelligence system, and if I let it trade itself with my concepts and the fundamentals, if I let it trade with those instructions by itself, it's insane. It is insane. Why am I not doing it? Because I'm yet to find a way to automate that connection with the broker. After I do that, bro, hedge fund, here I come. All right. So let's take a look at a few other examples. Okay. So let's go back to TradeEasy. We can see that TradeEasy, Bitcoin bearish. So Bitcoin, we have a bearish outlook. So fundamentals are bearish. Let's try to understand why the fundamentals are bearish. Okay, let's give it a second or two for it to load, and then we can check. We can check and see. Oh, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, don't be a bitch. Don't be a dick, man. Come on, I want to grow as well, you know. Okay, let's let that load. Okay, it loaded, and here we go. We have bearish. Then we have the AI's take on why it is bearish. We have the catalysts causing it to be bearish, and then we also have the key drivers, the monetary policy lens, and then we also have the breaking news causing this current bearish sentiment, right? So having said that, this is how you can be trading with fundamentals. You have the fundamentals laid out for you, and then you can go to your charts and you can do anything you want. And very soon we are going to be having an integration with an insane platform, right? This platform allows you to automate your strategy with zero code involved, no Claude, no nothing, right? So you can set your conditions, you can drag and drop, you can put your entry conditions, you can do anything you want, and you can take trades. Now we're taking it one step further, and we are going to be bringing it into these asset cards, and then you're going to connect your brokerage, you're going to connect to these guys, right, through the integration, and then you'll be able to automate your strategy, and you'll be able to take live trades with your strategy while also utilizing fundamentals. So the fundamentals are going to be inside your strategy. No one does this. No one will do it. Okay, and you can also pass your prop firm challenge. So we will have an option where you can. It's going to be for CFDs only for now. Futures, we are not sure just yet. But if we can do that, then everyone can literally come to TradeEasy, connect their accounts, automate their strategies, utilize TradeEasy's intelligence data inside of their strategies. And if I can have a 90% success rate, I think you are going to be having a 90% success rate as well. You are going to be rinsing prop firms. You are going to be rinsing prop firms. I'm going to be telling you. That's all I'm going to be telling you right now. So when it is close to happening, I will let you guys know. If it doesn't happen and the deal falls through, then it is what it is. But if it does happen, then it's good news for everyone involved. Okay, especially you guys. So make sure you stick around to find out. So if you haven't subscribed already, make sure that you subscribe. Okay, back to this. Now Bitcoin, we can go back here. we can find Bitcoin. Okay, current day's price action. I think this is broker issues, so let's find the current day price action. Okay, so we can see that the bias was bearish, right? So with the bias being bearish, we have today's value area on Bitcoin. So when price broke below the Asian low, go into the value area and sell off. That's your trade right there. So it can be a 1 to 2, it can be a 1 to 3, it can be a 1 to 15, 1 to 20 based on your stop loss size. You have a winning setup right here and it will never change. Why will it not change? Because the fundamentals are bearish, right? And then your technicals are simply following it. The technicals are the language to understand fundamentals, all right? I'm giving you the fundamentals and there you go. Now, if the fundamentals said bullish, then mark my words, everyone who follows a trader, everyone who follows a guru that doesn't use fundamentals, they're selling over here, but it's just going to go up like that. And they'll just say, oh, sorry guys, it was a bad day, it just did not work. Motherfucker, TradeEasy is right there, use it. Maybe you will need it. All right, so that's it. This is how you use the Asian range. This is how you use TradeEasy. This is how you utilize a framework with actual macro intelligence to make money. Simple as that. Because if you're operating in the market, if you are literally operating in the markets without knowing what's going on around the world, and if you're just relying on news that's either late or that doesn't give you all the information that you need to know, you're operating blind. Why are you fucking trading? Just give your money to the bank and let your savings account just go pile up. Because we know that if you try to do this yourself without macro intelligence, without an advantage in the financial markets, you're going to start with $100 and you're going to end the year at $100 or zero. Might as well put your money in the bank account and keep it there. Yeah, or you can just invest in TradeEasy and you can turn that $100 to $1,000 or $2,000 or possibly $100,000, $200,000 by the end of the year. That's up to you. Yeah, so if you want to get TradeEasy, make sure you do it. Make sure you do it, right? It's for everyone that needs to succeed. If you want to pass your prop firms, done. If you want to flip your account, done. If you want access to trade setups that I send on a day-to-day basis, done. Everything is given to you, right? So the link is down in the description below. We have a lifetime membership going on, so make sure you get the lifetime membership, because once you do, everything is free. Nothing comes at a cost ever again, right? So with that said, I'll see you in the next one. Good luck and good trading, and make sure you watch Margin Call. Margin Call is pretty good. Good luck and good trading. Bye-bye.